it was last night only when we got the information from the office of the Chief Minister that the Union Home Minister Sri Amit Shah ji is coming to Shillong. So we requested the office of the Chief Minister to kindly help us to get an appointment with the Union Home Minister, and we are thankful that we got this appointment. We met him and we reminded him that we have submitted our first memorandum to him in January 2021, and we have also met him here in Shillong in July 2021, and that now we also inform that Khasi language has been made as one of the official languages of the state of Meghalaya through the adoption of Meghalaya Languages Ordinance 2026. And we requested him to take up this issue seriously and if possible to bring an official bill in the parliament. On his part, he told us that there are a number of languages, new languages, demanding for inclusion in the HE. And the government, he said, is taking this issue seriously, and the ministry will look into it. He has also mentioned that Khasi language is one among many languages in the list of French and languages. Because he has not mentioned any time frame, but he has clearly said that he will look into it, and that Khasi language is one among the languages in the list which are demanding for inclusion in the HE.